विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया खेळा मळावेल्यो खबरो. फातर्ड्या शेनवारा गोंय आनी झांबिया मदीं भांगरा महोत्सवी इश्टागतीची मॅच जावपाची आसा. आफ्रिकन देशांतलो खेळ दोळ्यासमकार पळोवपाची मोठी संद गोंयकारांक ह्या निमतान मेळटली. झांबिया हो आफ्रिका खंडांतलो एक पेजाद पंगड. फिफाच्या संवसारीक वळेरेंत हो पंगड 80व्या सुवातेर आसा.
गोंय पंगडान शुक्रारा सकाळीं फातोड्डे स्टेडियमाचेर प्रॅक्टीस केली. आर्मान कुलासोन तांकां मार्गदर्शन केलें. गोवा आनी झांबियान जोड पत्रकार परिशद घेतली. झांबियाच्या तरणाट्या खेळगड्यां कोच हव रेनॉल्डाच्यो खूब अपेक्षा आसात.
You know, from this squad we have today, I feel I'm not sure because the Africa Cup is in 2 months, but maybe 5 players will be part of the 23 players for Africa Cup of Nations. Maybe less, maybe 3, maybe 2. We never know.
What is the composition of this team? Is it a very junior team? Is it?
It's a local national team. The players are playing only in Zambia, and I took 5 under 20, but they are quite good, and I want to see them at the international level.
And how do you read Indian conditions? How do you read the conditions for these 2 matches?
Like I said before, everything is perfect. We trained on another ground yesterday. It was good, and we trained here yesterday. The pitch is very good.
भारताचो आदलो आनी डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचो कोच आर्मान कुलास कसलेय आव्हान पेलपाक तयार आसा. खडेगांठ पंगडा वांगडा खेळपाची संद गोंयच्या खेळगड्यांक मेळटा म्हूण कुलासो बरोच खोशी आसा.
We have got nothing to lose, but we'll come back and play a good football. That's what we want to do tomorrow. I know in all circumstances there are missing so many of the players, the players of the Goa state team or with the national team, but then let's move forward. The youngsters will get a chance to play tomorrow, along with some foreigners who are there, who are playing in the Goan clubs. There are foreigners. There are foreigners because, like I've said, that the standard of Zambia compared to state is going to be very, very difficult, vast. But in order to make up for a little, we've got the foreign. The GFSA take some of the foreigners who played in the Goan club. You know, there should be something. You know. The lineup of Goa team is more or less, you know, Felix will be in the goal. Valeriano, Crescent and Town, Wilson Rodriguez and Ankul in defense. Denzel Franco, Godwin Franco, Peter Carvalho and Lenny Rodriguez will be the midfield line. And Renchi and Moga will be the strikers.
फातोड्डेच्यान आमचो खबराकार समीर भट.
मुळावें तंत्र सक्षम आसत जाल्यार बऱ्यापैकी एथलीट तयार करपाक सोंपें पडटा. गोंयच्या एथलीटांचें मुळावें तंत्र सुदारचें पडटलें अशें अणभवी कोच RM ओझा म्हणटा. बेंगळूरच्या राष्ट्रीय खेळा संस्थेचो आदलो मुखेल प्रशिक्षक ओझा सध्या गोंयांत आसा. कांपालावेल्या एथलेटिक्स कॅम्पाचेर आज पळयात आमच्या खासा खबरामाळेचो दुसरो भाग.
खेळा प्राधिकरणान दवरिल्ल्या ह्या निवासी शिबिरात ओझा गोंयच्या एथलेटिकांक मार्गदर्शन करता. शिबिरादारच्या तंत्रात आपल्याक बदल करचे पडले अशें ओझान प्रुडंटाक सांगले.
I have changed lot of things. Suppose in the long jump, just they are doing the running and jump, but not the swinging muscles they are using.
I see.
Got it? So that way I am improving for the long jump. Plus they don't know how to do the runway actually. Got it? So that I am teaching them. Same way in the throws, they are doing the throws, but they don't know the actual technique. So part wise I am teaching those things.
पुणेच्या आर्मी स्पोर्ट्स इन्स्टिट्यूटाचो कोच अजिमून KSV सध्या गोंयान आसा. ताचे ह्या शिबिराक मार्गदर्शन आसा. एक चॅम्पियन कसो तयार करप हे ताणे सांगले.
We have some norms. We have to apply that and the talent. We have going for talent scouting all over India, and we are picking talented boys from all over India and giving regular and systematic training. And there have one general theory method of training specialist is there from Cuba. They are also giving some idea for that, and they are getting like means synthetic track also there, and regular practice also they are getting, and we are going for 10 or 12 plays for any district level, state level, other competition also. They have to get means they have to get more competitions, exposure. Exposure when they will get, they can do better.
And how many hours in the gymnasium working out in the body?
Morning we are giving 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Evening also like that, and in between we will give 2 hours rest, and also they are going for school.
So overall, what's the training period per day for a
Per day 5 to 6 hours.
For a junior or a
For juniors.
पण जेच्यान आमचो खेळ संपादक नीरज प्रभू आणि चलचित्र खबराकार देवेंद्र गावकार.
आणि इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.